Give me 60 seconds and I'll give you 30 habits that can change your life. 1. Build the habit of waking up early in the morning. 2. Drink water. It boosts your metabolism. 3. Meditate for 5 minutes to improve focus. 4. Plan your day and set priorities. 5. Go for a walk or exercise to stay active. 6. Eat a healthy breakfast with protein and fiber. 7. Write down your goals and divide them into small steps. 8. Limit your use of social media. 9. Read a book for 10 to 20 minutes daily. 10. Keep your workspace clean. 11. Do the most important tasks first. 12. Think positive and stay away from negativity. 13. Write a gratitude journal. 14. Keep learning new skills through online courses. 15. Talk to new people and build your network. 16. Eat a healthy lunch with greens and balanced diet. 17. Track your daily expenses. 18. Take short walks during the day. 19. Relax for 10 minutes. Stretch or listen to music. 20. Help someone. Even small help matters. 21. Watch motivational videos. 22. Give yourself small treats. 23. Track your health regularly. 24. Do stretching to relax your muscles. 25. Enjoy nature and explore green spaces. 26. Connect with friends or family. 27. Journal at night and write the highlights of your day. 28. Make time for hobbies or relaxation. 29. Try new hobbies like painting or cooking. 30. Practice deep breathing exercises to reduce stress. These small steps can truly change your life. See you in the next video. Until then, stay positive.